Robert, you should see your tent. We're being buried alive. And this is my tent right there. This is Robert's tent. Okay guys, here we are at Blue Ridge Campground. Look how it's snowing. Okay guys, we are back at Inspiration Point, going to Blue Ridge Campground. So 3 miles to go and about 600 feet of climbing. And a storm, big storm's coming in. About, they're saying 4 feet of snow. So yeah, we got about an hour of daylight left. So yeah, Robert's coming, he's right there. Reached the 1 mile mark, PCT, and trail sign is almost buried. There it is. That's where we're going, to whiteout conditions. Okay, so we're behind the ski lift, as you can see. It's whiteout. Here comes Robert. Alright guys, we're losing light. It's almost 7:30, and here's another PCT marker back to the Blue Ridge Truck Trail, which we can just follow directly to the Blue Ridge Campground. But yeah, it's like whiteout conditions. Oh yeah, here's the truck trail. So we're gonna follow this all the way to the Blue Ridge Campground. Made it to the Blue Ridge Campground. Here's the trash can, outhouse, and the sign. Not a moment too soon. Bear country. Okay, we gotta find a place to set up our tents. And then, all right, we made it, Robert. Okay guys, so we found our tent spot for the night. There's a little dry spot here. We even have a picnic table right there, and over there on the other side are the bathrooms. So we got, what else do you need? I mean, it is 26 degrees, but besides that, you got everything. Right, Robert?
Yeah.
This has all the amenities, right?
Yeah.
What else could you ask for?
Table,
yeah.
Close to the restroom. Nobody's gonna disturb us. Like, no neighbors.
Right.
Cool.
Well, there might be some bears knocking on our door.
I don't think so.
So it's 8:50, and Robert and I were able to set up our tents before it really started snowing.
Yeah, I got lucky.
Yeah, this is Robert's tent, the REI Flash 2.
Flash 2, yeah.
All right, 2-person. In emergency, I could pop in there, but I think we'll be okay. We found a dry spot. This is my tent, the Copper Spur by Big Agnes. We'll see how it holds up in the snow. And I'll show you inside. I got my usual foam pad at the bottom, insulated Nemo tensor, inflatable pillow, Magma 15-degree sleeping bag, and yeah, and then you can see it got down to 25, and it's still 25. So we are going in our tents. Are you cold, Robert?
Yeah, and I have a frozen In-N-Out cheeseburger with me.
Yeah.
I put a hand warmer.
Yeah, and you can tell this is Robert's tent because he
yeah.
wrote his name in the
I wrote my name.
But yeah, it's like 25 degrees, so
yeah.
we're gonna cook indoors. We're going in.
Yep.
It's supposed to get 4 feet of snow, so we'll check in with you guys later.
Yep. Let's get inside.
Okay, dinner time. So this is gonna be my dinner. Vegetable tikka masala, tasty bites, and jasmine rice. It's going into the pot, and I'm gonna eat it. All right. Okay, so this is the finished product. I just mixed the rice with the vegetable tikka masala. Delicious and warm. It's about 10:30. It's starting to snow a little bit. I can see little snow pellets outside there. And I can hear it hitting my tent. But the real stuff is supposed to come overnight. Here's an update. It's definitely starting to snow. I can see snow where we didn't have snow before. It's 4:15 in the morning, and it's 31 degrees, so it's actually not warmer. You see the low is 25. But there's snow everywhere. But I'm still dry. It's almost 6 o'clock, and look at all this. It's definitely snowing now. Okay, here's another view of what it looks like outside, guys. Robert, you should see your tent. We're being buried alive here. It's really coming down. Oh yeah. There's no more dirt patches. Ay. It's also windy. The good news is you can see the snow. The wind is every once in a while knocking it down, which is great. That way I don't have to do it myself. My poles are being buried. Okay, good morning guys from Blue Ridge Campground. There's our tents where we slept. It was a rough night, the wind, everything else. This is what it looks like out here. It's crazy. We're almost completely buried in snow. Picnic table. Luckily, I was able to get inside the bathroom. That was good. So, I'm just warming up some water. Have a hot drink and eat something. I'm hungry. I'm not supposed to stop snowing until about noon, and it's only like 7. So we got 5 more hours of this. All right. About 8 o'clock, and you can see it's really snowing good.
What time is it?
It's 8 o'clock.
Oh my goodness.
Snowing here at Blue Ridge Campground. And this is my tent right there. This is Robert's tent. I don't think yeah, we could survive that much more snow here. Oh my Lord. Look at the picnic table. That was completely bare yesterday. And
Oh,
Robert, are you alive?
I'm alive, I guess. That was a crazy night.
Whew. Man, you should see it out here. It's beautiful. This is a winter wonderland here at Blue Ridge Campground. Okay, here comes Robert. Finally
Where are you?
coming out.
Oh, there you are. Oh my God.
Look at this.
Oh my
It's a winter wonderland.
Oh wow. Woo!
Pretty neat, huh?
Damn. Gotta close it down.
Yeah.
It looks so neat outside.
Yeah.
Woo, look at that.
So now it's really coming down. You can see what I mean. Hopefully the lens is not getting too wet with the snow. But this is what it looks like here at Blue Ridge Campground. Just about 8:45. We're gonna have to wait for this to stop before we can get out. Okay, so here's the other side of the Blue Ridge campground. Okay, it's coming down harder now. So I don't know. We might have to go back inside our tents. Wow. It's pretty deep. All right, this is what it looks like right now outside. It's about 9:30. It's coming down harder than ever. It's almost 10 o'clock. It's still snowing outside, so you can see the walls in my tent are caving in from all sides. Look at this side. Yeah, that one. And above me, a lot of snow. You can see. I have to push it off sometimes. Like, watch this. See that? Over here too. Wow. Okay. Whew. Yeah, we're gonna have to leave soon. Hopefully it stops snowing. Okay guys, I need some more drinking water. I'm just gonna scoop it right there, see that? Bring it in, put it on the stove and melt it. But add water first so you don't burn the pot. Okay, it's 11 o'clock and look at my tent. It's so caved in. Okay, I think it stopped snowing. So we're gonna pack up and head out. All right. So we're packing up. Our tents were pretty much buried. Oh, look at this. Oh, I have a crevasse on one side. Look, I have a crevasse. Oh my Lord.
Look at my corner. Give up?
Yeah, it gave out.
Just right now.
Okay.
Give up.
Too much snow. My tent was about to go too. And look at the picnic table. Eventually filling up. And oh yeah, and the tree stump. Look at that.
And still snowing.
And the bathroom. Okay, it's 26 degrees. And it's still snowing, but it's supposed to get lighter in a couple hours. But we have no choice but to pack up and get out of here. Here it is. Nice.
Found it.
Yeah, this color makes it easy to find.
Oh yeah. Against white? Pretty easy.
Another one. All right.
Like you're doing an Easter egg hunt.
Yeah. Yeah, this is our Easter.
I know. Easter snow hunt.
Oh, and my poles. Got my poles. We've cleared our tents, and that's the footprints that we've left behind. It got pretty deep. I would say a good 1 to 2 feet.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's 1 foot.
at least. Okay, we're leaving Blue Ridge campground. We gotta follow the Blue Ridge truck trail right there. And it's supposed to stop snowing pretty soon, but so far no luck. Okay, look how deep the powder is leaving Blue Ridge campground. Very deep. It's gonna take us a while to get out of here. We should have brought our snowshoes. Oh well. Guys, so the snow was getting in my eyes, so I stopped to put on my goggles. Robert forgot his, but yeah. So here we go. Okay, look how deep the snow is, guys. That's crazy. But no choice. Only one way to get out. And that's this way. Here comes Robert. Wow, we're breaking trail. And man, is it deep. Like good 2 feet at least. We're making our way back. We're gonna stay on the Blue Ridge Truck Trail instead of the PCT because it's safer. But yeah, look, it's whiteout conditions again. All right. So yeah, we definitely should have brought snowshoes and gaiters for the hike out. It is deep. We're just like post holing. We're taking turns breaking the trail though, so that's good. Right now it's Robert's turn, as you can see. All right. We're back on the PCT. We couldn't take the Blue Ridge Truck Trail because it goes right through the ski area. So forced to use PCT, and this is what it looks like right now. Okay, so you guys probably remember the PCT marker from yesterday. Look at the difference. After a few feet of snow fell. Okay. All right, guys, we finally made it out. It's like 5 o'clock, but we did it, and we're going to check on our cars and see if the road's open or not. We can get out. Otherwise, we might have to spend a night here in the back seat of our cars. All right. Well, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Stick a fork in us, because we are done. Today. Okay, guys, look at this. They plowed the road, but not the parking lot. Here are our cars. Look at that. Yeah, look at the icicles. Holy moly.